this is Callie with Jemminz. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here. We are opening up 10 more Akoya oysters pearls for our bath bombs, our surprise bath bombs actually. And if you're interested in those bath bombs, they are on the website, so go get them right now. Otherwise, we're going to show you 10 more pearls that we're going to add into our mix of pearls that we have. And we're getting a lot of pearls in right now. So let's open these up and let me show you what we have coming into our shop. So let me turn the camera down. There you go. All right, so we have 9 more pearls we're going to open. We're going to open this one because it looks like it wants to open up. Oh, it did. It just, I don't think I've had a pearl open up that easily. And it's a really pretty purple one. So let's get that one washed up. And we'll get that in our mix here. Show you what the size of that one is. That one is 6.77. Put that up there. Pretty purple one. Yeah, let's open up this one. Oh, it just popped right open. And sometimes they'll open up, sometimes they won't. Oh, yep, that one opened up right there. There's a little pretty white one. Let me check to see if there's anything else in there. No twins in these. Tell you what, this batch of pearls that I got didn't have any twins in it, but that's okay. We'll order a whole bunch more and we'll get them in. That one's pretty, kind of a yellowish. That one kind of has a yellow tint to it. It's really pretty. All right, let's open up the next one. This one's not going to open up as easy as the first two, but that's okay. Let's try to open up. See if I can get it to go around. Sometimes that muscle just doesn't want to open up. Oh, that's a pretty grayish color. Let's see if we feel around in there. Yeah, there's not one in there. All right, that one's kind of a silver gray. That one's actually pretty. 6.42 is its size. Kind of a bluish gray there. Isn't that pretty? Let's open up this little one. You can see it right at the top there. There we go. Muscle in there is really hard. Oh, pretty dark one. Okay, nothing else in there. As you can see, I've been opening up a lot of pearls today, but I thought I'd show you the last 10. And I just want to say a shout out to everybody who has purchased the purchased the pearls, and I just want to say thank you so much for supporting the channel and supporting us and the business. Essential oils are going really well. I have a lot of people that really like them, and I'm really happy about that. Our essential oil products are selling very well. Not sure what that was there. Okay, let's open up this one now. This one looks like it wants to open up too. These want to open up really easy. Batch were really hard. Oh, and there's that one pearl right there in front. Ooh, pretty one. Definitely not a twin. All right. 10 more. All right, 6.75. Pretty coral color. Salmon or coral. All right, let's see if we can get these open. Oh, there it goes. It popped right out of the corner there. All right, that's a little one. All right. This is about a 6, I can tell. $6.27. Really pretty color. Really pretty blue. All right. Oh, that muscle does not want to break open. All right, let's see if I can just break it. Pop it. I did. Yeah, there's definitely nothing in there. Felt like there was, but there's not. That one was worth it. Look at that pretty purple. Really pretty purple. 6.75 is that one. And 2 more pearls to go. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, this one just wants to really open up. There we go. That one opened up pretty easily. Oh, another purple. No, just a hard muscle. Nothing in there. That one's really pretty. Oh, let's measure that one. I almost didn't measure it. Sorry, guys. Oh, 6.77. They're pretty much running about the same size. Just under 7. Whoops. Pick that up. There you go. Pretty dark purple one. Last but not least, last one of the day. There we go. Let's see what this one is. Oh, kind of a copperish. See if there's a twin in there. Nope, no twin. Ah, no twin in this batch either. That is okay. Sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't. My next batch, I'll order a mix of different sizes and different ones there. There you go. All right, these are our last. Oops. Let's see if I can bring that over. Last of our pearls. All right. There you go. We got more pearls coming up, so definitely keep a watch on that. I'm going to be placing a second order here soon, so we'll have some more. They take me about 2 months to get in because I order them directly from the Akoya farms directly, which is kind of nice, but it does take me extra time to get them in. So definitely go get those in. And right now I only have 50 of the Akoya pearls in stock. So definitely go get those pearls. Wipe my hands off so I can turn my camera up. All right, so there you go. There is the last of our 50 pearls. They have been selling really well, so I only have a few more left. So definitely go onto the website and get them. And if you haven't watched my previous videos on those pearls, go watch them. The pearls are going into bath bombs, and they are specific type of bath bombs. So go watch that video. I'll try and link it down below here so you can see it. And there you have it. Pearls are done. That was fun. All right. Thank you for it's a morning, afternoon, morning. I can't even tell you. It's been a crazy past few weeks. So we've been super busy. So anyway, thanks everybody for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to say hello, hi, and leave a comment or ask a question if you have any. Thanks everybody for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Yes, I still need to clean my back studio. I've been so busy. All right. Got to get it done.